Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of S3FD314. Today we're checking out a 2003 Ford F-250. Texas truck, 6-liter Powerstroke, an early 03, 182,000 miles on it. Fires right up, 10-vane turbo being an 03. Nice and quiet, bone stock besides an exhaust and an intake. Still on bolts, but no signs of any sort of head gasket failure yet. Not rolling any coal. Range hand bumper on it. Pretty nice truck. Unfortunately, just kind of ran into something. Who knows what happened? Big old exhaust on it. Nice tailgate. A lot of good stuff in here, guys. Super cab model. These seats are getting harder than crap to find. We got a nice medium flint, I believe is the color interior. Work truck quality. We'll clean it all up. It'll be good. Is it a split seat? Yeah, split bench back here. Some old boy stuff. Nice headache rack on this thing too. If you're from Texas, well, you already know. All right, let's go ahead and test some parts in here. Big old girl. All right. Power windows are working just fine. Air conditioning. What we got? Very important. Power mirrors. Ooh, that's some cold air. All right, well, motor runs good. VGT has not relearned yet, so I don't know how well she's gonna rev out, but we'll try a couple. Sorry guys. She doesn't sound half bad. A pretty good sounding turbo. Alright guys, that is going to conclude the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of S3FD314. If you guys are looking for any of the parts you may have seen in this video, head on over to our website. There's going to be a link in the description down below. But yeah, a lot of good stuff, guys. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Bitcoin saves your wealth, Jesus saves your soul, and head bolts save your 6-liter. Thanks for watching.